Hi friends, this is Dr. Khyati. Today I'm here to provide you some health guidelines related to COVID-19 pandemic crisis. Friends, all of us are going through a really difficult time. It's not only us, it's our entire country, it's the entire world who is going through a difficult phase. In such a phase, it's very important for all of us to look after ourselves. Immunity has to be on the top. Prevention is always considered to be better than cure. Try as many measures we can all can follow through various types of preventions being guided to us through various modes, various platforms, and whatever prophylactic measures we can follow to the utmost. Right? Friends, my focus in today's video is mainly going to be in the mental health care, how you can keep yourself mentally fit and healthy amidst the negativity going around us, amidst the entire negative aura being spreaded around us due to the COVID-19 cases and the death cases and all. But before beginning with all these things, I would just like to update you a bit on the whatever the queries and the confusions been coming up from the patients during while the time of counseling, and these are a kind of myths also. See, firstly, we all are aware about the sanitization procedures being told to us. The Ayush has given us very good guidelines about the Ayurvedic modes and the food intakes that we should all prefer to enhance our immunity. And thirdly, the utility, the importance of physical exercise. Now, this is the right time when we have a lot of time sitting at home to regularize our schedule in a way that the physical exercise becomes a part of our daily routine. You can do any kind of physical exercise, it not be gymming, it could be anything, whatever is possible in the current circumstances. But apart from that, one thing which is the most important thing is that kindly do not take any medications, whether it's homeopathic, allopathic or Ayurveda, without any doctor's intervention. I request you for the same, because people have been seeing that they are taking just the chloroquine tablets, as it is coming up in the news that it plays a good role in the prevention and treatment of COVID-19. Kindly do not do so, as it has been proven that it has been helpful undoubtedly in curing, in treating the cases and all, but not in all the cases. So without any proper medical advice, please do not take any medications. Just follow the daily guidelines or the food guidelines and all which are being provided to you, which can enhance your immunity. These are just the basic prevention modes, not the treatment modes to help you, right? Secondly, now coming to the main focus of our how to take care of our mental well-being during this pandemic crisis. Friends, firstly, we should be aware of that we should not flood ourselves with too much of information. Mind rules our body. Whatever information goes in our mind, it just gets stuck up, and the same thing goes around in us, and it creates a kind of negativity we are not aware about, but this is something which is going on subconsciously. So we are supposed to be aware about the number of deaths around us, about the number of positive cases around us and our country and our world. But 15-20 minutes update about the news, taking, being informed about what is going on in the world is more than enough. Please do not overflood yourself and do not spread such informations through the social platforms also. Secondly, try to keep yourself engaged as much as possible in whatever productive work you can. If you are going through some anxious phase, if you're going some worried phase about your jobs, about your salaries, or any other thing, any other problems that you might be going through, which is causing you a mental pain in such a condition, try to engage yourself with kids. Try to play games with them. Try to keep yourself busy in your office work or in your household work. Don't keep your mind idle, because idle mind is, as you know, it's a devil workshop, and it will nowhere lead to any positive thought. It will somewhere or the other take you to some kind of negativity. Now, adding on to the last point, as you might have heard all about everywhere, the deep breathing, meditation, yoga, it plays a wonderful role, and trust me, this is the right time to implement it, because it does play a very good role. The first thought in our mind when we wake up in the morning, it rules the entire day. You might not believe it, but that is the reality. It has been proven in the studies as well. Try, once you wake up in the morning, if you are not used to doing any deep breathing, not used to follow any kind of meditation, I mean, just sit for a while in an open surrounding, in your balcony or somewhere, and close your eyes and just take a deep breath and think whatever is going on is going to be solved soon. Let's be positive. Everything is going to be fine soon. Everything is going to be positive, and we all are going to go back to our initial situation. Friends, stay healthy, be fit, and try to spread as much positivity as you can. Take care.